I just come down from the tower. I'll just go back a second here, show this microwave tower. There it is. That's the tower. Anyway, back on the trail. High Rim Trail. Going down. Going down. There's Rosie. We have got some breaks in the clouds, so sun's poking through here and there. Nice and warm. It's all downhill now. We got 13 Ks to go. We did 5 on the way here. That was up from Oyama Lake Road. We're heading down to Cousins Bay parking lot. Nice day. What is today, October 17?
I think so. I can double check
Sunday.
that. Yeah, it's the 17th.
Sunday, October 17, 2021. Attention hikers, secret viewpoint. Follow HRT to tower and main viewpoint. From the tower, continue 70 meters down access road to Vernon something outdoor club trailhead. Look for green arrow on your right. Enjoy 180 degree view of Okanagan Valley. Please respect low impact trail area. We missed that. I don't know. Yeah, we saw a good view for where you were. So anyway, we're heading north. Yeah. Nothing like gravity. Yeah.
Got 13 km down.
Yeah. I actually figured that out. It's on my map here. And I calculated that on my post that I put on Facebook as to how much down we got. Yeah, I think it's like 900 meters or something down. So we're up pretty high. Hey?
We're already well past 40.
What's that say?
KM 38.
Kilometer 38.
We're already well past 40.
That's out to lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're well past 40 for sure. By a long shot, that was about 5 kilometers ago. I think we're at around 45. Do. Hiking on the trail. A little bit rocky down here.
That's pretty.
Good sight to see, eh? Look at that.
I likes it.
Yeah, going through there. Oh yeah. Careful stepping there. Wipe out my rump, that would hurt. There's a sign that says hikers and horses. Guess they both go up that way. That looks kind of rugged that way that we came. Not bad. Yeah.
Scat.
Coyote scat?
Yeah.
Haven't seen no bear turds anywhere along the way.
I figured the bears are on their way to bed.
You think they went to bed?
Thinking about it at least.
Yeah.
Right there lower in the valley where the fruit is.
Yeah.
That's where I'd be if I was a bear.
Where all the good food is.
Yeah.
Ah, squirrel.
I saw one earlier and it was like, squeak, squeak, you didn't see me. It had a pine cone in its mouth. He's trying to hide it.
Yeah. Nice. Good walk. I don't even feel tired at all. My belly's rounded out with a couple of good sandwiches and a trail mix bar.
I learned the hard way not to eat too much when hiking.
You did?
Yeah,
Oops. Didn't feel good after, eh?
I felt extremely nauseous.
Well, I think like I had 2 sandwiches and a bar. That's probably how good. It's not too much. But yeah, hiking, extenuating yourself on a big belly, that's not so good.
Yeah, I try to keep it under 400 calories at a time when I'm hiking.
Yeah,
Except at dinner, that's when I pack my face with them.
yeah. I got, all I got now is some trail mix bars. But I feel fine without.
Woohoo!
Yeah. This is pretty nice. Whoops.
Careful.
Just sliding on a slippery piece of wood root.
Roots, hate roots. Rocks are your friends. More good roots.
Yeah.
Unless they're covered in algae
Yeah, algae can be slippery.
or rotten leaves.
Slippery leaves.
Yeah, no one's been here in a while.
Going down.
Woo! Hiking is the best.
This finishes up the high rim trail for Rosie.
Yep.
Well, this would make you sweat going up here.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to go up this way.
We took the easy way,
Smart way.
I guess, eh? Yeah. Well, I'm really enjoying the walk. It's great. Nice autumn day, middle October.
Getting close to November.
We're getting there.
Good job, Dad.
Pretty cool. Good job, Rosie.
Alpine fir! Big one. Look, you took alpine fir. Holy heck, look how thick that thing is.
Look at that, sub-alpine fir, the sign says. It's a big sub-alpine fir.
It's still alive too. I thought it was dead for a moment, but it still has living branches up there.
Way up.
Yeah, beauty.
Yeah,
Good old subalpine.
big one.
Bye, buddy.
That's only the second tree we seen marked. The other was the Douglas fir.
It's the second tree you've seen marked. I've seen hordes marked.
Have you seen more on this trail?
Yeah, the darn interior Douglas fir marked like 4 times.
Oh,
I'm like,
goes to show how observant I am.
yeah, but those are on the parts that you didn't do.
Oh, there you go. No wonder I didn't see him.
Yeah.
But on this walk that we're doing today, that's the second one I seen marked.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Now we're in league. Oh, this is so enjoyable.
I hope you appreciate that I'm taking all the spider webs for you.
Thank you. You're awesome. That's why I hike in the rear. I let others blaze the trail. Going down again.
Nice. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. There's some larches in through there.
Really nice view food.
And, yeah, nice. Maybe that's enough of a video. Do you think I've had enough of a video?
That was an awesome video.
Yeah. Well, I hope everybody that gets to view it enjoys it. Anyway,
Thanks for watching.
signing off.